Good morning, everyone. I would like to present to you the traditional cutting attachment as to when the flashback happens. And then we will compare it to the new Powercraft Innova flashback free cutting attachment. Okay, so let's start. The plane that we will be using is the neutral plane. And we will check if the cutting attachment can resist the back pressure when the cutting tool touches the base metal. Flashback. So, if the flashback occurs, we have to shut off right away the supply of oxygen, because oxygen supports combustion. Then afterwards, shut off the fuel. Okay? See, that's the flashback defect. The pressure moves back to the unit. So it's very dangerous. We cannot close right away the oxygen control now. So that's why we have to put a flash guard here or a flashback arrestor. This is the flashback testing of the traditional Harris type cutting attachment. See the pressure. You can hear the hissing sound wherein the pressure is moving back to the attachment. And if we will not shut down the oxygen right away, most probably the hose, because this is the weakest point, this will burst, explode. I will now present to you our new Powercraft flashback free Innova cutting attachment. Flashback free means we do not need anymore any flashback arrestors or flash guard, and we will see what will happen if the nozzle touches the base metal. It can resist. That's the flashback. That's why Innova is different from any other brand. Even if it touches the base metal, it can resist. So buy Powercraft Innova flashback free cutting attachment. Now I will present to you our new Powercraft Innova flashback free cutting attachment. Flashback test, meaning we will try to move back the pressure by touching the cutting nozzle to the base metal.